Have you ever watched one of those National Geographic TV shows on how a lion hunts? Well, you can actually learn from that lion how to invest. And I'm going to explain that in today's video. So, how does a lion hunt? If you ever watch these videos, the lion will not, when they find their prey, they won't chase after it right away. That's the first thing. And the second thing, when they observe their prey, they're usually looking for a large pack of animals. Let's say a giant pack of zebra, like literally a field of 1,000 zebras. And what the lion does is it doesn't attack right away. It observes every single zebra in that field. And it looks for the one target they feel that they are most likely to get. It could be the zebra they feel that is the slowest, the zebra that they feel that they can get to first. And when the lion attacks, it just goes after that one zebra. And usually when the lion runs out, all the zebras just scatter, and you have 1,000 zebras scattered in 1,000 different directions. But you notice the successful lion will just focus on that one zebra that it has in its crosshairs, and it will not be distracted by the like if there's another zebra that's not in his target that's closer to him, that lion will not go after that second zebra. It is focused like a laser beam on that one zebra that it has targeted. So, how does this translate into great investing skills? This is a lot of people, they tend to sort of look for a great opportunity to make a lot of money in the stock market, but then they get distracted by crypto. So let's say you have someone who has some knowledge of the energy sector, and they're doing their research and they find a great gas pipeline company, but all of a sudden they get distracted on, oh, Bitcoin is up 10% and it's up 30% for the month, and it's up 80% in the last 3 months, and all of a sudden they shift all the way into crypto and they start investing, even though they had spent all this focus on that energy pipeline play. So now they're focused on crypto, but then they get distracted by something else. Maybe a tech stock, now an IPO in a tech stock. So they get distracted here, they're distracted there. And what happens is when you don't have focus, the first thing is you're not going to be committed to that trade. Because if you're just chasing something that's running up and then you buy that stock, you're going to be shaken out of that stock as soon as that stock or that crypto investment, whatever, as soon as it rolls over. You're not going to be committed to it. You're not going to have a rationale as to why to own that stock. Now, some people would argue that's trend following trading, that, oh, you just find something that's going up and you buy it and then you sell it when you go down. Trend following is a little more complicated than just finding something that's going up and buying it. There's usually a lot of indicators that you're looking at, and that the trend following is not an emotional decision, it's actually a rational decision. They look at a specific entry point and then they have a specific exit point. What I'm talking about is people having shiny object syndrome, that they find something that's just rising, they decide to buy it, and then they have no exit strategy. To go to the moon, and that they just hold on to it. Then when it rolls over, then they get scared of selling it, and then they end up taking a loss. So what you want to do is, like a lion, focus on whatever one sector or one stock that you are interested in. Do all your research and don't get distracted by crypto. Don't get distracted by any other market that's surging. Just concentrate on whatever you feel is what you know most about and what you'll be most committed to. Even as a speculative trader, you got to be committed to that stock over time to ride through the ups and downs. So stay focused, hunt like a lion, and you'll capture your prey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.